An attack on a female teacher at Kingston High School on Friday resulted in the suspension of classes on Monday. Now, while students turned up for classes today, the teachers were locked in a meeting to discuss the way forward. Our reporter Kirk Wright went to the school.
Most teachers stayed away from school on Monday to register their disapproval with the frequent attacks on them by students. The most recent was on Friday, when a grade 7 boy attacked a female teacher during class time. Our sources say the 7th grader had her pinned down with his knee in her stomach before she was rescued by a male teacher. The school's chairman dismissed that she was pinned down, but confirmed the attack.
I can confirm that on Friday we had an incident that involved a teacher and a student. There was some violence involved. The teacher was pummeled by the student. The administration got involved. They contained the situation. They separated. They removed students from the area. It was almost at the end of school day.
A memo yesterday from the principal, Jermaine Lutin, gave insight on the possible low teacher turnout on Monday. In short, it says the low turnout may be related to the serious attack on the female teacher on Friday. It reads, quote, "This is part of a troubling increase in similar incidents, particularly involving students in grades 7 through to 9. It also stated that many staff members have expressed concern and frustration with the growing indiscipline and lack of respect shown by some students. An early morning meeting was held at the school today with members of the school board, the education officer, principal, and members of the academic staff. The meeting started a little after 7 and ended sometime after 11. Our sources say the teachers were passionate when expressing their grievances with the frequent attacks. We learned that the attacks range from serious threats, verbal and physical, to the students throwing water and paper on teachers. The chairman says the school has a fairly good process of dealing with indiscipline, but that sometimes situations escalate.
We've had a couple of incidents of teachers being involved with students in physical confrontations. Mm-hmm. Physical confrontations. We've had a couple more than we used to have in the recent past.
They managed to reach an agreement.
We are acknowledging that they know that there have been increases in the tensions we have inside the school. They also feel that they need to be protected because they feel that with these escalations, then there's the tendency that they could become violent and more violent. So they've asked what it is that we can do to improve their own protection in the classroom. We talk about resourcing officers, we have to hire new security guards, those kinds of things.
The principal says repairing the school's perimeter fence can also add to the school community feeling more secure. But he says there are still some good things happening at the school.
Our incoming cohort of students are basically not functioning at their level, but we have a robust literacy program. We have used music, we have used drumming to curb some of those behavior. We have entered students in the JCDC festivals. We have had our internal spelling bee competitions. We have had students entered in visual arts competitions, something that is going to get them back on track. But we are known for our robust literacy program.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.